Okay, a few days ago I did a review of the Skybell smart doorbell and showed how dissatisfied I was with how easily it detected motion. It only detected motion out to about 18 inches. And so since then I've taken that doorbell down and I've replaced it with a Ring doorbell, which uh, claims to have a better motion detection and the ability to select the areas that it detects motion from. So I'm going to show you how that works, and we're going to approach the doorbell, see if you can hear the trigger. Okay, there's a currently triggered right here that there's motion on the doorbell, and in fact it does show an indicator that the motion was triggered. And so it actually goes out to probably 15 to 20 feet. That's the doorbell right there. And it's actually working very well. It alerts to any motion approaching the house, and it allows me to set the area that it detects so that it does not detect in the street. It only detects if somebody's comes up the sidewalk or this sidewalk. As a result, it's very accurate, and I have very few false readings with it. So if comparing the two, Skybell and Ring doorbell, Ring is more expensive, but it actually works. So my recommendation is, if you're interested in something like this, you buy the Ring doorbell over the Skybell. Thanks.